January 25th, 2018, and you're
Elaine,
and you work in South Marin County, correct?
yes,
And you're a nurse?
nurse practitioner,
Great. And you've come to my Ozone workshop
yes.
with all these wonderful people around here.
Hi, Ozone.
Ozone. And we just did your shoulder here.
Right, I've had quite a time with my shoulder since I had a rotator cuff, full thickness tear, had surgery. I've had to work super hard in my physical therapy for since, this is 7 months.
Have you had cortisone injections?
2,
Two.
yep.
Okay, let me see you.
Just to,
And
keep moving forward. And
just
so
shot.
we just shot me up, and I can already feel like I can raise my arm without pushing against. In fact, it almost feels better than my left shoulder now. So maybe I need both shoulders now.
So I think your first
Super happy.
super happy, and your first comment was, "Oh my God!"
Oh my
wasn't it?
gosh. Yeah, that's so much easier. I've been pushing against this for months.
Thank you.
Thank
For the
you.
viewer, that's a rotator cuff. I may post this on YouTube.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you enjoy the workshop?
Oh yes, it was great.
Thank you. Would you recommend
Yes.
it to other professionals?
Yes, I will.
Thank you very much.
Yes.